Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Marcie from Peanuts. So let's get started. To draw a cute Marcie, let's first start by drawing her glasses. So we're going to come right here and draw a big oval. And I'm just going to slightly slant it towards this side. So let's come right here. And draw a big oval. There. So just slightly tilted. And then from there, come to about in this area right here in the center, and we're going to draw her nose. So I'm going to come right here and just draw this little curve, bring it down, and come right back, but without touching it. Touching the oval, I mean. Then from there, we need to draw the other one. So this one is, the oval is going to slant towards this side a little bit more. So up here. And just like the other side, right about here. And connect. There, so our two ovals in. And then I'm just gonna come in here and just try my best to thicken this up. And same thing here. Okay, there. Hopefully I haven't made too much of a mess. It's always so much harder when it's so big. Okay, there. Now that I have that, and finally, let's come down right underneath her nose, and I'm come down, say about right here. I'm just gonna draw a little line for her mouth. You can give her a big smile, of course, if you like, but I just thought it'd be really cute just to give her this little expression right here. With this little mouth line, I mean. There. Okay, so then from there, let's come back to the center, like we're about here between her glasses. I'm going to go up, say about right here, and I'm going to come down with a curve right over her glasses and past her glasses, and then same thing here. So we're starting to draw her hair and just past her glasses a little bit. Then from there, let's come over here, and we're going to come in and then come out to start to draw her face. There, and then this side is just going to come down and around. Then let's see, I just kind of like want her head to be about right here. I'll just give myself a point just so I know where I'm going. And bring this curve down and bring this in, and then I'm just going to go ahead and connect everything at my point. There. Curve and connect. So she does have a little bit longer face. Okay, so then from, oh, I forgot. Let's come back about right here. We need to connect her glasses. Oh my goodness. So here and here. That would not have been right if I didn't do that, right? Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead and finish her hair. So we're going to come back to the side, about right here, come out here, and we're going to follow her face and then come down with a little bit of a wobble and give it maybe 2 strands. 1 and 2, and just tuck it in. Nice and simple. And then about right here, we're going to pop it out with 1 little strand and go up. And then towards the center area, we're going to go up, and then about right here, now wobble in, wobble out, and then bring it down. There. And then we're just going to go ahead and curve this all in. And so about right here, just kind of using her face right here, we're just going to wobble and connect everything for her hair. There, so hopefully I helped you with that. Okay, then from there, let's go ahead and draw her cute little body. So right in the center, just draw a little angle for her neck and connect. Kind of like Edna, right? From The Incredibles. So then come right here for shoulder. Just draw a little angle, and then we're going to come down with a curve on both sides. And let's bring it down a little bit more. About right there, and then connect it. Then towards the center area, I'm just going to draw a slight angle line about right there. Come down, curve, and connect for her shorts. And then right about here, the other side, and connect. There. You just want to give a slight separation so you know that it's a pair of shorts and not a skirt. Then from there, let's come back to the center, and we're going to draw some feet. So same thing on both sides. And let's connect and connect. And then for the shoes, pop them out and round them off. Continue straight down. And then connect. Sorry, I just had to make sure I was going straight down. I look at my camera. And about right here, so same thing like the other side. And connect. And then for some details, right about here, just zigzag for some shoelaces, and here as well. There, and then some socks. And then her arms, let's bring this down to about right there, connect it. And then here for her little hands, and just tuck it in. So same thing here. So I love about drawing these Peanuts characters. They're so nice and simple to draw. So hopefully I'm helping you with that. And you're loving all the characters I'm drawing. Okay, so same thing on the other side. And then about right here, I need to just kind of draw a curve just for some graphics on her shirt. A little crease line, and of course I'm going to add a heart right here to make her my Just So Cute Marcie from Peanuts. I really hope you love how she turned out, just like all the other characters I've drawn from Peanuts so far. And thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you and made this fun and easy today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Just So Cute videos. See you later.